My name is Shannon Price, and I am the Executive Director, and I have been for the past 10 years. The Fine Arts Institute is Edmond's nonprofit community arts organization, and we provide visual and performing art opportunities for kids as young as 3-year-olds through adults. And we do a lot in our building. We see about 5,000 students a year that come through the Fine Arts Institute. We have about 50 different art classes each week. But what people don't know is that we do a lot of things out in the community. And one of the big projects that we have, and it's been for 20 years, we've been working with Edmond Public Schools because kids in the schools don't receive art until 5th grade. Well, our teachers, we made this collaborative partnership with the schools where we go in and we teach art to every 3rd and 4th grade class all school year long. They get 45 minutes of educational art. And so that is what we are looking for to do with the funds that we receive from Tabor. It's going to change the lives of 2 full schools to be able to completely fund art supplies and teachers for a full year. I am just so thankful to be a part of a community, and especially Tabor Cares, the way that they give back and they actually are invested and understand the importance of what our nonprofit does. And there's so many great nonprofits that make this community better. Edmond is a special community, and there's so much support from city leaders, individual businesses, individual families that want to see these things succeed. And I know it's been a struggle for everyone during the past few years, but you really see the people's hearts and their spirit, and I'm thankful that I get to do what I get to do every day.